Hello. Now we will solve this question. Find the prime factorization of each of the following numbers, leaving your answer in index notation. So first of all, we will find prime factors of 72. Always remember prime factorization. Prime means you will factorize the 72 with prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. And always remember, you have to start first with 2 and second number you will use 3 and 5. Don't jump to after. For example, you use first 2 and jump after 11 or 5. You will do wrong solution. That's why you have to solve first 2, if 2 then 3 and then 5, 7, 11 with sequence. Okay, use always sequence. If you want, you will not make any mistake. Okay, so 72, like I am using 72 and I do something different. Like 72, you will divide 72 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 1 remaining and 2 and 2 6 are. So in prime factorization we will do this all thing in our mind and we will write direct solution 36. Okay, so how can you solve this in mind? Like 2 3s are 6, right? 6 and 1 is remaining. Okay, and this will come 12. So 2 6 are 12. Okay, now 36. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So this will in your mind. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So 2 9 3 3. Okay, some teachers don't solve last step. Okay, but you have to do last step. Okay, so 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply. So here is, there are 3 numbers 2. So 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 3 raised to power 2. So this is the required answer. So now we will start next question. 187. Okay, 181 is the bigger number, so I will use this. So you know 187 is divided by, can we divide this by 2? No, that means it is not in the table of 2 or divisible by 2. So in next, add all these numbers. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. So 16 is divisible by 3? No. Okay, so last number is 0 or 5? No, we cannot divide by 5. So can we divide this by 7? 2s are 14, 4 7, 7 7s are 49, so it is not. Okay, then we will use 11, 187, 11 ones are 11, 7 7, so 11 77. So we can solve by 11, 17, and 17 are 17. So 11 multiplied by 17 is the required answer. So now we will move further. 336. Now method, 2 ones are 2, just answer, and 1 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining attached with 6, 2 8s are 16, so 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 1, and now we will use 3, not other number, 7, and 7 ones are 7. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 is the required answer. So now we solve other. 630, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, and 2 5s are 10. So now this the last number is 5, so not divisible by 2. We try with 3, 3 1s are 3, and 3 1 5, 3 1s are 3, 1 no, 5 0. Okay, two numbers putting down, so we will use 0 on in the answer. So 3 5s are 15, so 1 0 5. Sometime we mistake just 1 5. So 1 5 multiplied by 3 is 45. That's not the required. 3 15. So we cannot. Please focus on 0. Now 3 3 3s are 9, and 1 3 5s are 15. Now we should use 7 or 5. We have to use 5. 5 after 3 comes. 3 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, 5 multiplied by 7. So 2 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So this is the required answer. And thank you so much. Please like, comment and share and subscribe this channel.